So what? You must have just run low on oil then.
No. So the crusher's not pulling any oil from the hydraulic tank. And we're gonna try and see if we can't figure out why. So you're gonna see me do a few things here to try and deduce why this isn't pulling any oil from the tank. All the things we try end up being pointless, and you'll see why. I'm thinking it's gonna be either this stem is plugged somewhere down in the bottom of this, possibly with ice, or just schmoo of some kind, or the pump is toast. I don't know that for sure yet. Get some of this hay out of here, see if we can't figure it out, I guess. Maybe I'll start it up and we'll crack that pressure line and see if it's getting any pressure coming out of the pump. Maybe, if it'll start.
Hijo de la chingada, man, where'd you get that?
So it looks like we're just getting nothing but a bunch of air. Looks like I'm looking down a fucking spillway in like Los Angeles or something right now.
Why? Shit at the bottom?
But it doesn't look collapsed. Find a little operates. We're gonna go after this pressure relief valve here. See if maybe it's got a little bit of schmoo in it and it's stuck. If that isn't the case, then it's the pump, which sucks because it's about $2,000 for a new pump. There's a little bit of metal here. Shavings of some kind. Might be enough to stop that up. I don't know. Doesn't appear to be stuck. Well, it's not looking good.
No?
Nope, that thing's not stuck. Get up and see if we got any dirt down in the hole, maybe. Nothing. Clean as a whistle. Great. Great. Okay, so
Oh yeah, hold on.
You're gonna have to hold that like that.
Yeah.
Until I fire it up.
Is this gonna blow everywhere?
Well, it's just idling, so it's not gonna be too bad, but I am gonna rev it. Just hang on to it good and tight.
Yeah, well,
You ready?
yeah, please don't.
See, that's the problem. Okay, pull it back some, I'm gonna rev it up. There's our problem. So it's still cavitating big time. Now why?
The pump's fucked.
No, I think it's something to do with the suction line.
So you don't think it's the pump?
No, what we're gonna do is we're gonna pull this off, we're gonna stick it in the pail, and it's just gonna do, and we're gonna see if it works properly. Because then it might be something right in here.
That's blocking the
crack.
suction line.
Like there's a tube in here,
Sucking air.
and if it goes down to the bottom of this tank, and if it's cracked and it's pulling air, that is our fucking problem right there.
Okay, well, let's fucking do that
We're
then.
getting closer anyway. And that would make sense because this happened all of a sudden. I can't see that pump going bad that quick. You know, like fuck, this hasn't done anything. Good. Filter.
Maybe that's clogged.
Yeah, but that all that does is like when you're not using a cylinder, this is just going around and around and around, just like it's going to do in this bucket. But when you hit a function, then the level in the tank drops very fast, and that's what this breathes for.
That's just a breather?
Yeah,
Oh.
just a filter on a breather, so the tank can vacate oil really quickly and not, you know, you're not going to dent this tank, but like a thinner tank would
Suck.
pop can if you didn't have a big vent on it. Because this is 35 gallons a minute. This is a lot of oil moving.
Yeah. Well, how much do you think each one of them cylinders can hold?
5 gallons.
Quick spinny-roo, there you go.
Okay, so we'll move that a little
If you want
closer. That's good. Tighten these back up.
Well, so there's a fucking stem down inside?
Yeah, on the end of that, like this would be a piece of pipe welded here. It goes all the way to the bottom. Seems like it's not anymore. Actually, if this works, we're gonna unhook this guy, put it in here, hook this back up, and then we should be able to run the machine off this bucket alone and have it work properly. So let's fire it up, re-aim that back in the bucket. You ready?
Yep.
See? So we got a problem with that stem. We're gonna give it a little throttle. Pull back some. Yeah, there you go. Yeah, see, we got no problem. There's nothing wrong with that pump. It's this fucking stem.
Alright, well, let's just run her off the bucket for now, I guess.
Yeah, right. Like, we'll have to undo all these pipe fittings and get a look down in there with a flashlight and see what's going on. And what a guy might have to do is just do away with this fucking tank and go buy a hydraulic tank.
And put it right
Actually,
there.
I have one at the shop we can put right there, a good hydraulic tank, and just reset this up. Takes a couple hours.
Okay. Well, good. That just saved you $2,000. So a little bit of fiddle fucking, and
I wonder what the fuck's wrong with that. So we were pouring oil into this. We figured the level was too low. We put a pail in it and we couldn't get the level to come up at all. So there's a hole in it somewhere. Now we're picking it up with the loader to see if we can't find it. Is it broke?
Put the fucking fork through it.
Oh! Did I?
Yes, you did.
Ah, that makes total sense.
When you bumped it.
Yeah, that makes total sense.
Yeah.
There's the problem.
Well, we can fix that. Plate, quick, done.
Fuck!
Yeah.
That's why we can't get any more oil in it than that.
That would make sense, yeah. I didn't realize it went all the way down there. I thought it was just here.
Welder loaded up here. We got to go weld a patch on that crusher I poked a hole in because I'm a dummy. She's a hot rod, basically brand new. Beautiful. So we got it welded. Now it's not pretty, but it's not leaking. Here's a quick little demo of the crusher actually working finally. I didn't get much footage after that. We had to get some work done, but yeah, it works pretty slick. Always remember to make sure it's got oil in it. Step one, really.